picked up the mower. As you can see, using the new latches there, so that way we can anchor down. They work pretty good. They stow and go. Then you bring them out when you need. These hooks are really handy. They store away. They got a flush mount. Real easy to pop out. You literally just push them and pull them. Stow right back away when you're done with them. Do a great job. Made by Ford. So they're going to be those official parts. And they got a huge load, 400 pounds per hook. There's 6 hooks on the truck. Here I was thinking, oh, I'll just push it down myself, realizing, this thing's almost 300 pounds. That's not going to happen. So, time to fire this bad boy up. Here's what I picked up. It's a walk behind Billy Goat 33-inch. It's going to help with the yard work. I've been looking at newer ones from different makes. I picked this up for basically a third of the price of what I was going to pay for one that would have been on a pallet. I'm all about trying to save a few bucks, so I went ahead and went with this. It should help with my yard game quite a bit. The guy was using this for a commercial landscaping business. He's a smaller operation, and I'm assuming he's looking to upgrade. So I picked this up. It's got a few things that I need to work with it. I noticed the pull string on the motor is missing, but that's okay because I have an electric start, so I can fire it up right here. I've got 5 forward gears, 1 reverse, but I'm still going to replace this because this is something that I want to make sure I have just as a backup, even though, like I said, I have the battery start. Let's see. I noticed the exhaust looks like it's going to need to be replaced. It's not crazy loud or anything, but still want to replace that. I'm going to overall clean, make sure everything's where it needs to be. I also notice that he's got the blades engaged full time. It's not real safe, so I want to make sure I get that fixed. I'm gonna have to hop underneath. I noticed when we were talking about it, there's a finger that sticks down, and what it does is it keeps the blades from coming off the pulley, and I need to check and see if it's just something that's out of alignment or if it's something that needs to be completely replaced. So pretty simple, but yeah, should make for quick work, especially with those higher gears. I've got it in first gear here. Again, there's 5 forward gears, 1 reverse gear. First gear is really slow, so I would assume this is going to be for fine cuts, delicate turns, delicate edges, things that you need to be more precise on. It definitely pulls itself. I mean, this thing is strong and it will pull, so you got to be careful, otherwise it'll pull you with it. Now for a little 5th gear action for fun, we'll definitely see the difference between 1st and 5th. It basically wants to do a wheelie when it takes off. It's got so much low end torque. You got to be careful, as you'll see right there. See how it pops a wheelie, and I was even anticipating that, and it still got me. Let's see that wheelie again. And a little closer. Yeah, it definitely gets me. Just like everything, something's going to happen. So the garage door started blowing smoke the other day. So I'm like, okay, we're going to need a new garage door opener. So we went hunting, and I start looking at garage door openers with my wife, thinking about what it's going to take to install one. We're going to do it ourselves, save a little extra money. And then I'm looking at it, and I'm like, well, what was smoking? So I look at it, and sure enough, it doesn't look like it's going to be a complicated fix. It doesn't require replacing the whole garage door, or opener. So what I'm going to do, pulled out the resistor. I'm going to pull this out. 4 terminals, pretty simple. Basically, this got smoked. It happens. I'm going to replace it, and hopefully I fix what would have been like a $200 plus replacement with $18. So fingers crossed it's going to work. Until then, I got to go with this like Jimmy in the garage door open when I need to use it. And I'll show you what my little trick is. That's right. I'm breaking out the vice grips for the win here. I got them attached to the rail, and it just keeps that wheel from moving, locks the whole door in place. I used to have to do something similar with the Jeep. It was too tall for the garage door, and I was scraping the top. So I used to have to push it open a little bit extra, lock it in place. So going old school here, like as if we don't have an opener. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Again, I appreciate all of you that do that. It really helps out with the channel, pushing us forward with the algorithm. And got more Rob's Garage coming for you. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, make a comment, and until next time.